Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. As you saw, I'm making some biscuits because I'm going to be doing a one skillet beef stew. I actually got this recipe idea from Gordon Ramsay like years ago. He had a show from the UK called F Word. And this is one of the meals he made in the show, but I'm changing the recipe a little bit because I actually don't have a recipe. I'm basically doing it from memory. I don't know, be scared. Well, let's hope it works out. I'm adding potatoes to mine though. He didn't add potatoes to his, but I'm adding it to mine, and I'm gonna make biscuits to go with it because I just love the combo of biscuits and stew. So let's get busy. I gotta prep my ingredients. Okay, I'm putting mushrooms in mine. Of course, you don't have to, but I like mushrooms, so I'm going to be. I can add fresh garlic to mine. Next prep item is a little bit of flank steak. Try to trim off this. Well, I guess it's not too much fat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it lengthwise, because I want to. Looks like a little blood pocket in there. Throw that away. So, oh, I got the wrong burner turned on. Alright, everything is prepped. I need to get my carrots going. I want to steam them a little first. So those are on. And then I got my skillet here. I'm going to cook everything in the skillet. I'm going to cook some things and take them out. Those my mushrooms. I need to season these. Not drop the little plastic lid in there. Not too much salt because I made spaghetti the other day for work and I put too much salt in it, so I didn't even finish it. There's salt in this too, which I need to figure out what exactly is in Slap Your Mama and try either putting it together, making my own without salt. I run into that problem with seasoned salt too. I like everything in seasoned salt, but then I'm using too much seasoned salt, making everything too salty. Of course, mushrooms always soak up a lot of oil, so throw on just a little bit more. Okay. All right, I cut these a little thick because I knew I was going to be cooking them again, so I'm going to be taking these out. I'm going to set them aside. By the way, his recipe, he had onion in his, but because I don't like them, I left them out. But you would cook onions and garlic first, and I just realized I forgot my garlic. I was going to throw it in with the mushrooms, even though I'm staring right at it. Oh well, I'll just have to sneak them in. So we're going to start adding some of this flank steak. Probably going to cook these in batches, because if you overcrowd your pan, you're just going to end up boiling it. And I'm not making boiled beef. So, got my, pardon my reach, I got my silicone tip spatula here. Oh, yeah, I probably should season the meat. Yeah, listen to that sizzle. Kind of why I'm leaving the camera going so you guys can enjoy the sizzle. I'm liking it. Oh, garlic. Oh, I have fresh garlic. What am I doing? I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm not paying attention. Now, I mentioned several times about it being hotter in the front than the back. And I had a commenter, one of my subscribers, and I'm sub to him. He said, well, you don't need a new oven, you don't need a new stove, you know, just replace the burner. But I've been seen better days, so I feel like I should just invest in a new one like I did with my fridge. I mean, yeah, my old fridge worked, but it's sort of one of those, when you least expect it is when things break. I mean, this burner here doesn't work at all. This burner here is dead. I can't even use it. And if I do use it, it has one setting, hot, like extra hot. So I don't want to. Oh yeah, I forgot an ingredient too. When these are quote unquote done, you need something else. Alright, so what he added to his, which I thought was a little strange, but it oddly works, is mustard. I may not do all of them, just I think I actually got like garlic mustard when I made this. I made this the first time, like, man, it's been a long time, but it's literally been years. So, check on the potatoes. I don't want to overcook them. They're getting pretty close. I just stir them anyway so they get even cooking. Yeah, they're getting close, but they're not there yet. Alright. That's just, Kroger brand mustard. I probably could have gotten like a better mustard, but it is what it is. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull these. Get the second batch going. And then everything's going to go back in. So actually, there's not much left, so I should probably just do that. I get a touch more oil, a little bit of salt. Alright, my biscuit just timed off. Sweet. Those. And they smell good. They look awesome. Hopefully this won't be a super long video, but just got my mustard on the second batch here. I'm going to scoot these back. I'm not going to take them out, but I'm going to get my garlic in here. Garlic that I forgot. I'll hit saute real quick. Just a few little drizzles of oil, not too much. Although it may look like I'm putting a lot in, I'm really not. Just putting. Got my carrots in a steamer. I don't want the garlic to be raw, so I'll just give it a quick cook. Actually, I did want to take these out, and I just remembered why. Alright, because I want to pour in a little bit of beef stock and use the stock to deglaze the pan. It's just picking up all that crusty, flavorsome goodness that's in here. A little bit more. This will just make cleaning up the pan later easier too. Alright. Then the next ingredient is the tomato paste. Got about a tablespoon, I believe. That looks about a tablespoon. Make sure I put the cap on so I don't lose the cap somewhere. Get that stirred in. Add a little bit more chicken stock. I'm going to throw the rest of my stuff in here. I need a little bit more stock. Then carrots in there. And then there's another ingredient. He actually added creme fraiche to his, but I didn't see it in the store, so I'm just going to use sour cream. It may not be perfectly accurate, but it should still taste good. Sour cream and beef go really well together, so. Man, this might be a long video. Hopefully not too bad. Get that stirred in there. Alright, check my potatoes. Potatoes are done. Throw them right in there too. I went with Yukon Gold potatoes because they usually hold their shape really well. I'm liking the look of that. I'm going to give that a few minutes. I'll just turn it down a little bit while I kind of pick up my mess. Like dinner is on. I'll tell you what, I wish you guys could smell this. The smell is incredible. A little carrot. Some meat, get some of that juice. And maybe I went a little off script in making it, but oh man, it smells fantastic. Oh man. Of course I got a couple biscuits to go with it. The smell is just amazing. See if I cook the carrots enough. Probably 1,000 degrees. Oh, perfect. Cooked. Slight bit of crunch, the way I like it. Get a big piece of meat. Oh man. Mmm. That is good. Damn. Not bad for winging it. Biscuit. Oh. Alright, well. I'm going to sit down and eat there. Thank you for watching. The description and also the end card will have the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. That Shovelhead 8 keeps going. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate your hard work. This is good. Like, I'm looking forward to sitting down and just scarfing in. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great week.